Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I bring you this video about 5 things you can do with paper clips or these office clips. I'm sure that more than one will be very useful, since they are very easy to make and the only thing we need are the same bras and nothing else. They are very cheap and it is always worth having some at home for anything. So let's see what we can use them for. He's almost out of his toothpaste but there isn't enough to use yet. But aside from the fact that the tube of it looks horrible, we never take out all the toothpaste that he actually has left over. Well, it's very simple. Just take your toothpaste and grab a glass in this case or something that is cylindrical to crush it and move all the paste in the tube forward. Then just roll it up as far as you can, take a paper clip and put it in the back holding everything together. This way it will no longer look messy and the best of all is that we can make the most of all the toothpaste that is in the tube without any effort. Do you have a computer keyboard in your home or office that has a broken leg that causes it to tilt? And is very annoying because when it comes to writing it is only moving and making noise. Apart from the discomfort that this causes? Well, there is a very simple solution. Just take one of the paper clips and disassemble it by removing the metal handles as shown on the screen. In this case, since it is the small clip, I will have to open these a little, pulling them to the sides so that they fit into the holes in the keyboard legs. Now just put it in and replace the other one so that the keyboard is at the same height. Once you are done, just put it in its original position and it will be ready to use. This way you will no longer have to worry about it moving, and if you want it to be more inclined, just bend the legs a little with tweezers and you can place it with the inclination you want. When they travel, they usually always carry a rake, whether they are men or women. But if they take them out without seeing or in a hurry and do not pay attention to where they are holding it, they can cut themselves or also ruin something that they have in their suitcase or backpack where they carry it. To avoid this, just take your rake and a bra, and we're going to cover the entire head of this one. Thus, apart from protecting the rake from breaking, it will prevent us from cutting ourselves when removing it. Because even if we put our hand on it and slide it on purpose, it will be impossible for us to cut ourselves. Since the clip covers it completely and since it exerts pressure, it is very difficult for it to come off, so you can now safely put it in your suitcases or first aid kits without worrying about it. They have a lot of photos that they want to put on their desks, whether at home or in the office, but they don't have space to put many frames on it. Apart from the fact that many of them have irregular shapes, here is a very simple tip to solve that. Just grab some clips and hold the photo you want to put. Once you have done it, just remove the handles from it as I show you on the screen. When you no longer have them, they will have a perfect base to keep your photos in view without them getting in the way or taking up a lot of space. Do the same for all the photos you want to put in, keeping in mind that you can make them with larger clips to hold wider ones. But when finished it should look more or less like this. So you will be able to have the photos of your loved ones without them cluttering up your workplace, and without worrying about them being lost since they are very well secured. Speaking of not having space, they want to watch their favorite videos but it is very tiring to hold the phone for the entire duration of the video, and even more so if they are watching a series or program. Well, don't worry, just take a paper clip and clip it to one of the corners of your phone. Now just remove one of the handles so that it works as a leg, and this way you will have a base that will not take up any space and you will be able to enjoy all your videos without having to have a special base, which apart from the fact that it will cost you a lot of money, it will take up much more space than this. As you can see, these are just some tips in which you can use these simple bras. But they will be useful for many things that you had not even imagined. Apart from the fact that these items are generally found in their offices, or even if they are purchased, the truth is they are not expensive at all. So try it and tell me how it worked for you. Later I will make another video to show you more things that can be done with these clips. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter and check out the other videos, as I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching and I hope you like these tips. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.